Hi everyone, this is Meswadikari, the creator of Chargenda. Welcome to this quick demo video of Chargenda, the easier way to track all your subscriptions and never miss a payment again. As soon as you log in, here's your dashboard. You will see how many subscriptions you have, how much you are spending monthly, your yearly total and the date of your payment all in one place. Scroll down to the calendar. It shows a visual breakdown of your upcoming payments. You can just hover over a date to see what's due and how much it will cost. On the right, we can see Chargenda highlights your next 5 charges with the billing cycle and the days left until you are actually charged. You can also see the subscription tab, so you can click on the subscription tab to view all your active services. Each card shows the cost, next billing date and cycle. If you want to make any changes, you can just click edit to update details. Or what you can do is simply click on delete button to remove what you no longer need. Adding a new subscription is also super easy. You can click add, fill out the name, price, date and the frequency and boom, it's saved to your dashboard and calendar. Chargenda also tracks your subscription count, helping you avoid overload and keep things lean. And that's it. Chargenda makes it easy to stay organized, avoid surprise charges and take control of your money. Yeah, give it a try. Take control of your subscription today with Chargenda.